Shom, why are you still over here? By now, Mithai must have left for the venue along with all the ingredients.
So what? Why are you worrying, Torsha? I have bribed the helper and the driver of the pickup truck. The truck will break down on the way. Mithai won't be able to get here by any means. And yes, I have removed the SIM from Mithai's phone. She won't be able to call anyone. And I have told the driver to break down at such a spot so that Mithai doesn't get any help. And by the way, you were asking why I'm still here? I'll leave soon as the driver calls up.
Okay. We can't lose this time, Shom. I've asked the Agarwals to be ready with their desserts. And Sid has gone home to change. Today is the award function as well. He has gone home to wear his new suit. Thank God Sid is coming separately. At least he won't be by Mithai's side. Okay, Shom. Mithai must leave the Monohara house after this party. We have to make sure of that.
Hey! What happened? Why did you stop the truck?
Let me check, ma'am. I think there's some problem.
Problem? What kind of problem? What's the problem?
I can't understand, ma'am. This wasn't supposed to happen. It's a new truck. I have no clue. Give me some time. Let me see what can be done.
Actually, I'm in a hurry at this moment. I'm carrying all this stuff for a party. I have to go to the venue on time, please.
What can I do, ma'am? No one can say when a vehicle will break down.
Nothing is happening.
You heard that, ma'am? I suggest you should wait here for some time. What we'll do is we'll go to Balwant's garage, which is a little ahead. Let's see if we can find a mechanic.
What do you mean? Can't you repair the truck?
I don't think so. And it will take time if we try to repair it.
Oh Lord. Oh Lord, what kind of a disaster is this? What will happen if I can't take the stuff to the venue on time? Brother, why are you guys standing here? I'm requesting you. Hurry up, please go and get a mechanic. Please go, hurry. The function has begun. What a disaster. What will I do now?
Let's go, man.
Oh Lord. Why did you have to push Mithai into so much trouble today? Please help me, oh Lord. Please help. You know very well, this is not only Mithai's problem. Today it's the question of grandfather's prestige. Grandfather's grandson has worked shoulder to shoulder with Mithai only because of grandfather, oh Lord Gopal. He has given his 100%. What if now Mithai can't fulfill her responsibilities? Oh Lord, grandfather's honor will be tarnished. What should I do now? What? Yes, phone. Let me call up Uncle Amrish and ask him to send another truck. Yes, phone. I don't have the phone with me. I didn't bring my phone. No. I have brought my phone. I have brought. Where is my phone? Yes. Where is my phone? Where is my phone? Here it is. Thank you, O Lord. What is happening? Why can't I make calls? What is written on the screen? Oh Lord. What prank are you playing on me today?
Is everything under control? Yeah, I'm on my way to the venue. Has Mithai reached there? She hasn't. What does that mean? No, I haven't brought my car. I'm coming for the ceremony. So I didn't want to drive since that might cause a crease on my shirt. Yeah, okay, let me call up and try to locate Mithai. She isn't reachable. Strange. Okay, well then, let me try once, yeah? Okay, yeah. I'd asked her to take someone else along with her, but she never listens to me. What a problem. The phone is also ringing. Why does this girl always goof up at the last moment? I really don't know what to do. Sir, please pull over the car. There's some emergency.
This is your payment, and listen, don't stay close by, just go away from here.
Okay, sir. Let's go.
Hello? Mr. Agrawal, your job is done. The truck in which Mithai was bringing sweets and ingredients for the dish they were about to serve broke down in the middle of the road. And one more thing. The driver and the helper had run away.
So, tell me something. What if Mithai manages to get help from somewhere? Our plan won't be successful this time as well.
Adi, she won't get any help. The truck broke down at such a spot where she won't get any help. Yet I'll be vigilant. And listen, you people be ready to reach the venue.
We are always ready, Som.
Look, my child Som, this is a huge contract. And the profit will be very huge. Son, are you sure there won't be any problem? No, Mr. Agrawal, there won't be any problem. Rest assured.
Dad,
So, Mithai, now let's see who will save you.
Oh Lord, why did you do this to me? I can't even leave the stuff and go somewhere to look for help. What if everything gets stolen or damaged? What should I? I think this is a by lane. Why didn't I notice carefully? What should I do now? If this was the main road, then I could have tried to stop a car. Should I go a little ahead and check? Yes. No. How can I leave all the stuff behind?
Pick up the phone, Rudy. Hello, Rudy. Yeah, listen, I'm in deep trouble, man. Actually, Mithai was bringing the ingredients and stuff required for the office party, and
Sir, please help. Stop, please, sir. Sir, please stop. Sir, please listen to me, sir.
no, that's okay. You please look into it. Yeah, I'll follow your instructions. You please try and track her, okay? Yeah, okay. Okay, fine. Thank you.
Oh Lord, what are you doing with me, oh Lord? You have decided not to help me today, right? Why? What wrong has Mithai done, oh Lord? You are Mithai's partner. Aren't you Mithai's partner? Tell me.
Yeah, okay. Can you track me? Okay. You just give me the directions. Okay. Yes, I'm going straight. Okay, now? Yeah, there's a left and a right turn. Which one? Right. Okay. Turn right, turn right.
No. There is no other way. I have to run towards the main road now. Oh Lord. Lord isn't helping me today. At least mind my things, oh Lord. I'll get to the party at any cost today. Hail, oh Lord.
Can you please drive faster? Please hurry up.
Come, ma'am. Please, Mr. Joshi.
Yeah, they are. Welcome, ma'am. Welcome, sir. Is everything okay?
Very nice.
Thank you.
The dessert counters have been set up in the hall. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
there are some snacks. You want to have some? Come.
No, not now. Let's go, Torsha.
Yes, please. Make them sit.
Come, ma'am. Please come.
sir.
Mithai hasn't come yet with the items. I heard that there would be a live counter.
What do I say, sir? From the start, I was against giving this contract to Siddheshwar Modak Group all along. You insisted on. Anyway, let's see what happens now.
Hey, listen, Mithai has taken up the responsibility. And plus, Siddharth is with her. So there is nothing to worry about. They will be here soon. I'll go and sit with them.
Okay. Nikita, guests are here. Go and make them sit. I'll be back in a while.
Okay, ma'am. Hello, sir. May I know whose guests are you? Siddharth Modak.
We all have been preparing those counters since morning. Torsha, madam, she knows us.
Yes.
Sorry, sir. She's really busy today. Maybe she hasn't noticed. Please come with me, sir. The table has been allotted. Mr.
Yes.
Siddharth Modak has told us everything. Please come
Okay.
along.
Shri,
Hmm?
didn't Torsha behave strangely today, don't you think?
Let it be, Nipa. It's a big event. Is it possible to remember everyone or what?
Siddharth works at such a big company. I had heard about it, but I never got a chance to see it. Had Aarti been alive, she would have been so happy.
Enough, Grandma. Stop praising him. Now let's go and sit.
Yes, you are right. Nowadays, once your grandma starts praising Siddharth, she doesn't stop.
Exactly.
Listen, the others who are helping us with the business like Rajiv, Ratul, everyone is a gem. Yes, Lord has blessed us. Okay, Ratul,
Yes.
Mithai hasn't arrived yet. Is everything okay?
Yeah, everything is fine. Mithai must be on her way. It's not easy to fool her. She'll be here.
Okay.
Please come. Welcome. Greetings, Mr. Siddheshwar Modak. Please come. Please come.
Yes.
Listen, Nikita, they are my guests too. Look after them well.
You know, Mr. Ghosh, by inviting us here, Siddharth has made us feel very special. He hasn't come yet. He's dressing up. Yes.
He must. There is a good news. Understand?
Ah,
Okay, left. Hey, take a left. Okay. What nonsense is this? What's happening here? Mithai, you. What's the matter, Mithai? Huh? Do you have any idea how worried everyone is about you? Huh? To top it all, you aren't answering the phone. What nonsense is this, Mithai? Mithai, tell me what happened. Mithai, are you okay? Tell me what happened.
I, I am stuck. The truck broke down. I am running late. I don't know how to get there. No one is helping me. I asked for help, but they didn't help me.
Quiet. Hold on. Quiet. Why are you in a hurry? Tell me everything slowly. What happened? Why are you here?
I left with all the stuff from the factory on time. And I didn't realize when the truck came this way. We were on the way. All of a sudden, the truck halted with a jerk.
Mithai, do you realize how worried I was because of you? Huh? Do you have no sense? And now I asked you something and you aren't even telling me properly. I was tracking you like crazy. I tracked your phone with Rudy's help. I don't even know the truck's number. Anyway, just tell me, why are you here? Tell me in short. Why is the truck here? Hasn't the stuff reached the venue? Mithai? Answer me, Mithai.
The truck broke down. I have been trying to tell you this for so long. Why aren't you listening to me? Have you thought even once about what state I'm in? This is about grandfather's prestige. Don't I know that grandfather has taken a big challenge? I know that very well. I have been so nervous and the phone is not working also. I didn't forget to bring my phone along.
Mithai, look, please don't cry. Stop crying. Don't cry. I'm here now. I'll do something. You don't worry. Okay, wait. Take this. Mithai, wipe your tears, not your nose. Remember that. Take it.
I don't want it. I don't want a handkerchief. You keep it with you. It will become dirty. Come on. Tell me what I have to do. I will not act smart anymore. My mother used to scold me for acting smart. Had I listened to you and brought someone along, I wouldn't have been in trouble. I will do as you say. I'm sorry. I will never disobey you. Promise.
You're promising me now. What will I do now? The announcements are about to begin. I got the blazer ready. I didn't want any creases, hence I didn't wear it during the preparations. And here this happened now. Let's go. Mithai, let's go, please. By the way, where's the driver? What are they saying?
They have gone.
Hey, watch your steps, Mithai.
They have gone to get a mechanic.
Why? What's wrong with the truck? I don't understand one thing, Mithai. Why didn't you call me? You didn't even answer my calls, let alone call me. Why? No, I really don't understand. I've been with you for so long, but I still don't understand you, Mithai.
Some message is flashing. The phone is not working.
What? Show me your phone. What's this? There's no SIM card in it. Without a SIM card. Mithai, what is this? Huh? Does a phone work without a SIM card? This is ridiculous. No wonder the phone was ringing. And you couldn't hear the ring. It's useless explaining it to you. Let it be. Do you have the number of the driver or helper? Hey, how?
How would I know that Lord would cause the truck to break down?
Does Lord Gopal inform you before doing everything? It's an accident. One has to be prepared. It can happen at any time. Nonsense.
Scold me. All you want. I won't answer you back today. Lord has sent you today. Otherwise, what would I have done? Ouch!